Hi there, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Saqib Latif. This is the question November 2023 NSC exam. The question says the diagram below represents a printed poster. A rectangle ABCD is the part on which the text is printed. This shaded area ABCD is 432 centimeters square and AD is equal to x centimeter. ABCD is 4 centimeters from the left and right edges of the page and 3 centimeters from the top and bottom of the page. Now the first question says show that the total area of the page is given by area of x, and this is the equation we need to prove. Remember, before I'm gonna start this question to solve for you, must remember a rectangle is very popular in optimization and the shape of circle, cylinder, triangle, sphere, cone, and obviously word problems. So a rectangle, couple of question I done already, and including this question I'm gonna also gonna solve for you now. And the circle we already done. Cylinder I will show you, and triangle as well, and sphere and cone, and the word problem I will show you also a couple of the questions, and then you will become familiar with these type of questions. So the AD we have in this question is equal to x, and let AB be y. So this horizontal is x, and let vertical be y. So this horizontal is the breadth, and this vertical is height. So the horizontal is x, vertical is y. Area of rectangle ABCD, which is a shaded area, is equal to length times breadth, which means x multiply y. So remember, this is a shaded area is a 432 centimeters square. So the length multiply breadth, so it's gonna be a area of rectangle xy. Now that area, shaded area, has been given, which is 432 centimeter square is equal to xy. Remember, this one we already have. So always when we do this, we have to create the equation. So always what we have, first we write that one, and now we need to give the answer in terms of x, so we need to isolate the y here. So therefore y is going to be equal to 432 this divided by x. So I isolate the y. Now we need to see the area of entire page. So must remember, now entire page, we need to find the length and breadth, and this is x horizontal, and the 4 centimeter left hand side, 4 centimeter on right hand side. You can see 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter there. So 4 plus 4 become x plus 8. Now vertical as well, you can see this 3 centimeter bottom and 3 centimeter on top. So which means y gonna be y plus 3 become y plus 6. So the worth is going to be, which I denote with w, is gonna be a x plus 4, the width, which is horizontal, x plus 4 either side, left hand side and right hand side, plus 4. This becomes equal, is going to be equal to x plus 8. Now we need to see the height, or you can say the length, same thing, that I denote with h. So that's gonna be a y plus uh, vertical, either side, top and bottom, 3 plus 3, and it's going to be y plus 6. So the height, or you can say the length, same thing, y plus 3 plus 3, either side, top and bottom. So y plus 6, that's going to be height. Now, so the total area gonna be now entire page. That's going to be, now we need to find again a length time breadth, uh, also a rectangle shape. So that's the formula for that area of the formula of the rectangle. So it's gonna be a length time breadth, so which means x plus 8 and multiply y plus 6. Right, now obviously x plus 8 I'm gonna leave just like this, and place of y I'm gonna substitute now, which I isolate 430 over x, 432 over x plus 6. So now we're going to FOIL, we're going to multiply x time 432, multiply x, is x and x cancel, only left with the 432 plus. Now x multiply 66x, now plus, now 8 multiply 432, 8 multiply 4, now first this x was this 2 and then 8 was this 2. So 8 multiply 432 is gonna be a 3456 over x plus 8 times 6 is 48. Now I'm gonna simplify here. So 3000, because he want the answer, we have to now rearrange according to the demand of the question. So because he want a of x must be, that's our total area, must be this one, this must be first 3456 over x, and then I'm gonna write plus 6x, and at the last you need to simplify the constant, which is going to be 480. So therefore we prove the first question answer is this one, 3. This is the equation of the first question, which we proved that a of x is equal to this equation. So this is my first question answer. So the second question says determine the value of x such that the total area of the page is a minimum. So we need to find the value of x, minimum value of x. A of x we have, I'm going to rearrange this one. This is the a of x. We're going to apply the first derivative. First derivative must be equal to 0, and we solve for x, and then we will find the minimum value of x, because he want the minimum value of x, he don't want the minimum actual length. So then we will determine the value of x. So the a of x gonna be, I'm gonna rearrange, because we cannot apply the derivative if the x on fraction, I need to put x up, so it's gonna be x negative 1. So 3456 x negative 1 plus 6x plus 480. Now I can apply the first derivative here. So it's going to be a negative 3456 x negative 2 plus 6. This is my first derivative. Now this first derivative must be equal to 0. So 3456, I'm going to rearrange x power x negative 1, when I pull down become x power 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to solve for x here. So negative 3456 over x power 2 is become negative 6, is cancelled. So cross multiply 6x power 2, and this is going to be equal to 3456. Now isolate the x square. So 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. So the answer gonna be equal to 576. Now therefore the x is gonna be a 576. We take the square root. Must remember positive and negative is outside. So the positive and negative, I use the calculator. Calculator answer is 24. So the x is equal to positive and negative 24. So which one must I'm gonna take now? Because we got two value, positive and negative. So we looking at the x value must be minimum. So now I'm gonna take the second derivative test. I'm gonna apply here in this equation. So then I can see if I'm gonna take the positive x value or the negative x value. So I'm gonna take the second derivative here. So the second derivative test I'm gonna apply here. So the second derivative of this is going to be second derivative, negative become positive. 2 multiply 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's gonna be a plus 6, 9, 1 to x power negative 3. So this is my second derivative. I apply the second derivative here. The constant gonna be 0. Now, now, now I can put in second derivative. First I put positive 24 to check. Now let me also rearrange here. So it's gonna be a second derivative. I pull down 6912 over x power 3. Second derivative, sorry for this. So I need to rearrange second derivative 6912 x power 3. I pull down become positive exponents. Now second derivative, I'm gonna substitute positive 24 to see it is a minimum or maximum. 6912 and 24 power 3. So 6912, and in second derivative test I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna substitute positive 24 into the second derivative, and to check if this is a minimum or maximum point. So now this is, I simplify, the answer becomes 0,5 with the calculator, which is greater than 0, which means a positive. So it's a minimum point. So it's a minimum point. So we are looking at the minimum value, therefore the x is going to be equal to positive 24. This is my final answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.